Day 42. Oh, we are going to Kyoto.
Is it really day
42? I think so.
Oh wow.
Yeah, boy.
200x.
2xx. Hey, what? So yeah, it's day 42. This is my breakfast. We're going to Kyoto today. So we still had to go to school though. First period, a quiz, and then after that we, as the Aussies would call it, jigged class, or skipped, well, our afternoon classes, and then we all went as a group of 8 to Kyoto.
And then he has companion called Caller. So it's like come, Caller, come!
It was like a freaking like hour-long train ride, and it cost like $6. Train ride to Kyoto. Sleeping, RTing, talking, sleeping, loner. Anyway, yeah, we went there for some festival thing, and it was mostly a parade. Yet another one, and I am denied. I want the donut. We just got out and... Why is this parade so quiet? Quiet parade. Oh, not yet. Oh, we're at some parade festival. I have no idea what's going on. Yeah, I know. This is our parade and whoosh. The fuck? And yeah, we saw this big ass gate. Big ass gate. Here's a perspective of how big this gate actually is. Then we got to the temple that was nearby, and we stopped at 7-Eleven, and this is my snack, or lunch I guess. We got to the temple, and then, well, here's how it looks like. And then we tried to make the word Kyoto. Not allowed in the temple, but that's mostly how it looks like inside. I can't tell what's going on. That's the temple behind this wall. See? Ooh, that's kind of cool. Oh yes, when we were heading to the temple, we ran into other people from our school. Kind of weird, but if you didn't know, Aquatic City in Pokemon is modeled after Kyoto, and Goldenrod is Osaka. This is the jingle when the door is about to close. When the train leaves, it plays a jingle. I wonder if I can get it. Play the song. Other than a couple of pictures, we didn't do much in Kyoto because it was kind of late and we didn't have any other plans, so we mostly just headed back to Osaka, and more specifically Umeda Station, if you know where that is. And that's where we walked up to last time. And it was just 4 of us, and we were just walking around, and then we went back to that takoyaki place that we went back on day 6, something like that. And I tried to go to the Pokemon Center again, but... Where is this blue green cannon? Where the hell are we? Where are we going?
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me? What do you... Wait, it's not lit up.
It's not open.
Oh.
Great one, asshole.
Yeah, there's some lonely boys sitting outside. We went back to this mall called Hep 5, which is that one with the Ferris wheel in my previous video. And we walked around, and this random guy came up to me and was like, "Oh, I like your necklace." Well, in Japanese, but he's like, "Where is it from?" I'm like, "Final Fantasy." And he's like, "Where are you from?" "Canada."
I thought you guys were Japanese.
No, I'm a Canadian. He's an Australian.
Oh, I see. Do you speak Chinese?
Yeah, of course. Oh, and then he started speaking a bunch of like unintelligible Chinese, and we were like, not that.
Do you like this jacket? I give it to, it's normally $75, but I give it to you for $50.
I don't want it. And then the guy just completely vanished after I turned around. And then walked a little further into his store, and then we just left. And he's like, he asked me something, I had no idea what he said. I looked at Isaac, turned around, and the guy was gone again. It's weird. And we looked at the store called WeGo, but this one was called WeGo LA, but in Chinese it's like WeGo La. And it's kind of a play on words. We heard a bunch of like the summer hits, which was pretty surprising because it's Japan. I guess they're 2 months behind in terms of songs, but we heard songs like, that song's like, 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And the song that's like, beautiful girl, all over the world, or whatever. And this one store was playing Eminem and Rihanna's Love the Way You Lie. And I can't listen to that song anymore because of this picture. So we decided to stay in that shop and then looked around at the clothes. Then Isaac picked something up that was pretty nice, and then he's trying it on, and then like a G6 started playing. So then I started looking around and I found this, and at first I was like, wow, this looks horrible. And I was like, Isaac, try it on. And he was like, you try it on. And it looks good. A little gay, but then the mall was closing, so we had to leave. It was like 9 p.m. And outside the mall, everybody was just like sitting around because they got booted out of the mall. And then this one guy was doing this. Oh. Oh. Huh? What? What's up? I'm not recording him. Yeah. I'm not recording like 10-15 seconds footage of this. Yeah, no idea why, but he just did. And then we all just went home. And that's the end of day 42. Day 43, we're going hiking, like my lunch is sort of. Can be, hello. Yeah, we're going hiking and we have to look for Peter. This is, I don't know what the area this is. Rokko, whatever that is. Okay, so today we met at Rokko Station, which is some random station on the way to Kobe. English time. At the station, I saw this banner. If you don't get it, don't worry about it. It's in French, partially. It says soy au lait. Basically, it's supposed to be like cafe au lait, but cafe au lait means coffee with milk. So soy au lait would mean soy with milk, but it is clearly advertising a coffee. So they meant to say like cafe au soy, but it's Japanese, they don't know that. Also, I randomly picked up this flyer thingy, and then it was like Heavenly Oratorio. I just thought it was funny, so I took it. Yeah, we went for a hike. At first we were pretty lost, and we just kept wandering up and down hill because that place is just like a whole bunch of hills and mountainous terrain. Every route is like a 30-degree slope, and like it's just hard to climb. Painful trek up a civilized mountain pass. There's Kobe.
And we're not even on the mountain yet.
On the way up the mountain path, like heading towards the mountain path, there were several vending machines, and we stopped by and had some drinks. And we saw some pretty nice houses. We kind of made it to the top of the mountain. You don't turn around and actually look at the mountain. We're at some parking lot, and it's hot, very hot. We're not even anywhere near the mountain, and I have to get a potion. And finally we found like the base of the mountain, which was up a hill, and we started our trek. Lots of pretty scenery up that mountain, but it was a very difficult climb. Traveled from this place, and now we finally got to the path, and it's a flat ground path. I wonder if there are any predators around.
Dude, it's boars. There was a sign saying to help boars.
I mean predators, like the invisible thing.
Oh, that's her.
Yeah.
Alright.
One slip and you're down in hell.
Not sure I'm sure.
Whee! Fun stuff. Hiking is. Hey, we're at some peak of sorts. I think we still have more to go. Fuck yeah, temporary downhill. I hope I don't slip and fall on my ass. Oh shit. We found Moss Rock. If I evolve it, or if I level up an Eevee here, it's gonna turn into a Leafeon.
Oh, shut up.
Cause baby tonight, DJ's got us fun and love again. Where the hell are they?
Why are you off from me?
Let's run downhill. Yay!
Oh,
Hello. Is there a vending machine up there?
Good bitch.
Nonsense. Cool beans! We made it to the top of the mountain. And we're on a bunch of rocks, apparently.
Little baby.
Yeah, ooh, this is what's his face eats? Doraemon. Yo, here's your pumpkin face. Ugh. Here, take it. Fuck it. Yeah, that's pretty.
You guys have a condition.
City here. More city here. Ocean over there. Mountains. Isaac. Katie. Peter. Cliff.
Dead people? There's dead people down here.
Yeah, most likely. This is quite an unstable step. Maybe I shouldn't stand over here. I kinda wish it wasn't so smoggy though. Be a lot nicer of a view. Not that it isn't.
That's it.
I just wanna like fly right over there.
Sure. You can be Icarus number 2. Let's give it a try. Fly to the sun, Katie. Fly to the sun.
Yay, we just finished our snacks. Now,
And you got,
I think we only have one way down. And it's the same path that we just came up.
but going down is easier.
We were promised a vending machine. We don't see a vending machine here. They're just giant ants
Or I have
everywhere.
a stick. Useful.
Where are you, giant ants? Hello.
It's got an ergonomic stick.
I do. Isaac found me this ergonomic stick. You can.
That's so bad.
It's fine. I can hold the top here, and then it's got like a Y end, so you can like.
Things on this.
I know, and then I could like go between branches. Going down the mountain. She'll be coming down the mountain. Ah yeah, she comes. This is my dinner. I didn't finish it earlier. So yeah, ramen. And climbing the mountain was quite painful. Yeah, felt like 4 or 5 times on the way down. But it was pretty fun. So yeah, it's day 42. Kind of like a classic game shop. There's all the Famicom games, Game Boy games. Where is it? Not here. Yeah. We're having pho. Except for this guy. We're in a faux restaurant. Pho. Yeah.
Come like
The part we ate yet.
Smells like the early.
non